So if you're anything like me who likes to watch, who likes to use his phone while working to watch videos or listen to music or whatever, or while cooking or whatever, the biggest challenge you tend to face is where do you place the phone? Do you anchor it against a wall? Do you put it face down, face up on a flat surface? It's always a challenge because you want to watch something or you want to, check out the screen as you're doing whatever you're doing. So I thought, instead of investing in an expensive tripod, some device that will hold your phone up, I did something instead. Check this out. Right, ready? There you go. This little piece of wood, about 10 centimeters, I don't know, is that wide or long? It looks like a bit of a doorstop or something. So it's basically a little triangle piece of wood, and then I cut out a notch here that goes about 3/4 in. And how does it work? So if you've got your phone and you want to watch something, say on YouTube, you can just place it like that, then watch your thing. If you are if you want to watch it, if you want to watch something facing up, you can do that. There you go, easy peasy. If you're charging your phone, you can and you need somewhere you can place it, you can just do that, then plug your phone in, and there you go. So pretty simple solution to a pretty frustrating problem. It will take you maybe 15 minutes to make this, and can save you a lot of headache. And the good thing is you can carry it around. So say you're at a restaurant, or you're in the office, or you're at home, you can just carry it around. In fact, I'm planning to put a keychain through here, this corner, and just hook it up to a bunch of keys, and it can be some sort of cute little key holder, and at the same time a useful device. So all you need to do is put it that way, put your phone like that, or put your phone like that, sorry. It has to be on an even surface, and there you go. So I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm planning to do a few more DIY videos like those over the next couple of months, see where that takes us. So stay tuned.